And welcome guys to a new video. In today's videos we're gonna show you how to make a GI that shows how much you have something like currency. So first we're gonna need leader sets. So in ServerScript service add a script, we're gonna rename it to leader stats, and we're gonna do leader sets. So local function add player that we're gonna say it's player local leader stats equals instances u folder. We're gonna parent the player. We're gonna name the leader stats leader stats. We're gonna add a value. So for this tutorial I'm gonna make cache local cache equals instance. So you can do number value, int value. I like to do int value. I'm gonna parent to the leader sets. I'm gonna say cache.name equals cache dot value equals 0. Now we're gonna go under the function add player. We're gonna say game dot players dot player added connect add player. So now let's go over it. This is a simple leader scripts. We have a local function add player. We have the parameter player that we identify as player. We're creating leader sets, that is a folder in the player. We're naming the leader stats leader stats. We're now making a value, local cache, that is a int value, similar to number value, but it can go bigger. And we're putting it inside the leader sets. We're giving the name cache. And we're gonna give the value, that is when you join the starter value. Now we're listening to when the player is added. When the player is added, we're calling this function to add it leader stats. If you check if that does work, it does. Now we're gonna go make some simple GI. So in starter GI, click the plus, add a screen GI. I'm gonna name it to main GI. In that main GI, I'm gonna add a frame. I'm gonna call it cache holder. I'm gonna go to anchor point and do the last one to 0.5. Now I'm gonna go to the position. I'm gonna say 0, 0, 0.5, 0. In the size, I'm gonna do 0.3, 0, 0.2, 0. This is too big. I'm gonna do 0, 1, 0, wait. Okay, so size is you can customize it out the way you want. I'm gonna do 0.1, 0, 0.1, 0. I'm gonna make it a little bit longer, so I'm gonna put here 1.15. You can do 0.2. I'm gonna do 0.2, and the position I'm gonna put here 0.05, 0.1. So just here like this. Now you can change the color you want. I like this one. I'm gonna add a UI corner to make it like this, and I'm gonna add a UI stroke. I'm gonna put it to 3. And you want this to put on the border. Now I'm gonna add a text label, and I'm gonna make the background transparency 1 and put 1 for size 1, 0, 1, 0 to make it fully. If you scroll down, there's text. I'm gonna put font for DOCA 1. I'm gonna put this for text. This is gonna change automatically. This color I'm gonna put white. I'm gonna put text scaled on, and in the text label I'm gonna add a UI stroke that is gonna be controversial, and maybe 2 if I do. Okay, so I'm gonna come back to text label, and I'm just gonna put scroll down on text Y alignment. I'm gonna put no text X alignment. I'm gonna put it to left, or actually center. I'm gonna put center. Now, and I'm gonna rename the text label to text. Now in the cache holder, I will add a local script and rename it to cache display. And we're gonna say this local player equals game.players.localPlay. Because this is a local script, we can get a local player. In leader sets, in the script, we cannot do that. You can see we can get the players, but there isn't a local player. Only we can do it in local script. So we're gonna say local leader stats equals player wait for child leader stats. Now we're gonna say leader stats dot for me is cache is the value you made for me is cache dot value dot changed. We're gonna connect that to a function, and we're gonna say script the parent dot our text dot text is gonna be the symbol. We're gonna say dot dot. The dot dot is to add together the string value and the number value. I'm gonna say leader sets dot cache, and don't forget the value. And you can copy this and place it above the leader set dot cache the value to change. So if you start, it's not good. Wait. I think it's this. I just got that, guys. Okay, it's that. So just put like changed, remove the value. Now if we start like with 100 cache, when you play, you're gonna see you have 100 cache. If we go to the server, find our player on leader sets and make the cache something else, you can see it changed. So it worked, guys. So that's it for this episode. See you in the next one. Bye.